I'm sitting here with Naomi, and she had undergone the RegenCore method injection. When was it? In June?
In June, yes.
Oh, okay. And tell me what you were feeling before you had the injection.
Well, before I had the injection, there was always a constant pain, and then maybe after, if I was to go for a walk after maybe half a mile, then I would have just an excruciating pain and just can't go on much longer. Where now, after having it done, it's like I can just go on. I can go for several miles now. I can just walk forever.
And no pain?
No pain.
So it actually completely took it down, huh?
Oh my goodness, yes.
Oh, great. And what other treatments were you looking at before you did this? Were you looking at any other options before you decided on regenerative medicine?
Well, I mean, I wanted to have some comfort, so I think the only other option that I was looking at was going through another surgery, which obviously that would be my last resort, and I'm so glad that I found this.
Good.
Yes.
All right. Well, I'm glad it worked out for you as it does with most
Yes.
people.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.